Hey, I'm Alex, one of the co-founders of Judgment Labs. Judgment provides agent behavior monitoring, or ABM infrastructure. We help AI and product engineering teams understand agent behavior patterns and flag misbehaviors with alerts in production. In this demo, I've set up a sample travel assistant that plans itineraries. The uniqueness of our infra comes from the customizability over different metrics. If you can define it, we can track it. Here, I have two measurements running in production. One tracks relevancy, which I've instrumented to focus on mentions of any historic landmarks or weather expectations, while the other one is faithfulness, which tracks any hallucinations produced in the itinerary, focusing mainly on fake locations and miscalculated budgets. Here, I can measure their performance over time and get an idea of any changes that I made affect performance in production. Here, when I switched to a new system prompt, my faithfulness improved, but my relevancy worsened. Judgment also lets you track specific issues and behaviors over time using rules. Rules allow you to specify logic for when you get alerted on specific metrics. Here, I have a rule that alerts for any production hallucinations. So this is really helpful for any teams that need to get ahead of problems before customers complain, or when you want to keep track of regressions as they occur inside of production. Rules are also customizable, so you can choose to flag misbehaviors when they reach dangerous frequencies per hour, affect your most important customers, or occur shortly after any new deployments. I can configure it to send to Slack, email, or custom webhooks via PagerDuty. And when it's time to triage and dig deeper into an issue, Judgment gives you full insight into every step of what your agents are doing, whether it be an intermediary tool call or the final output. And if you want to see the final output, we allow you to attach evals directly to these portions, and our scores can be flexible to either intermediate steps here or the end output, allowing you to quickly identify root causes. If you want to get started with Judgment, it's super simple, and you can check out our docs for a quick start. Instrumentation is even simpler though. You introduce our tracing client and wrap your LLM client for all the metadata, and then add one more line of code per function that you want to track. And from there, the dashboards paint themselves and you can catch any errors as they roll in. Happy monitoring. We are so excited to see what you all build.